there was just two of us. Things was busy, a little bit unorganised, stressful. It's a lot different now. 7 days a week, 50 hours a week at least. Yeah, it was non-stop, just running around like a headless chicken. Since I came to the Trade Mastermind, we've got 14 staff now, our own electrician. We're doing the work that we enjoy doing, and although it's challenging, it's not as stressful anymore. I kind of work on the business rather than in it now. 2 years ago, after coming to my first training session with Trade Mastermind, I decided to come off the tools and just spend my time doing the surveys and working on the business. I don't do anything on the tools anymore. 2 years ago I decided just to come off, and things changed for me quite a lot, really. I wasn't really tracking turnover. It was around 150,000 for the year, and we're about 1.3 million now. We're just coming up to the end of our financial year, so fitted nearly 400 boilers last year. Just had a record turnover, 220,000 for the past month. The boiler showroom's really coming along. We've got our own official premises now. Now we're able to offer different products. On a Sunday night, I used to dread going to work on a Monday morning. Now I actually enjoy it. I've got a lot better work-life balance. I have the time off now when I want time off. The family side of things, they can see I'm happy, and I've managed to create a nice life for myself at 33, and the business runs itself, really. Before I started on the academy, I didn't know anything about sales or marketing or business in general, but since I came, I've learnt about all the different processes what drive a business, so we could quite easily slide into installing heat pumps instead of boilers, or air conditioning instead of boilers. We're able to be more than just a boiler company and be like a home installation company, really. So that's how I see the future being. I would recommend Trade Mastermind. It is an investment and it does take time, but there's definitely lots of benefits from coming to Trade Mastermind and learning